Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate the airflow for the data ETL pipeline. So here I have advanced ETL pipeline built using the programming language Python and the database is PostgreSQL. So from here we can see the grid of the pipeline, and from here we can see the graph of the pipeline. Now likewise the calendar. If I click on calendar, so here we can see that Sunday, Monday, it's Sunday there was one succeed, and Monday we do have 8 succeed. So I guess the pipeline is running. Yes, it's running fine. So for the task duration, we have the graph diagram for the cumulative duration. And this one is extracted, and this one is transformed, and this one is quality of the data and the load duration. So here if I will check this box, so it will give the cumulative duration. Before it was non-cumulative duration. Likewise there is tax tries, so from here we get that the tax tries like this. So for the landing time we do have load, which is in rows of progress, and for the grant chart we do have the chart like this, and from here we can get the details, graph, grant chart, code, everything. So this one is for the audit logs, and here we can see that the audit logs. So if I go to details and go to succeed, so total succeed is 60 for now, and the tag id is same for the pipeline, and for the run id there is the different run id for the pipeline. So if I go to Swagger UI dashboard, and to perform the operation I have to register the user account, and from there I have to log in, and as well I have to provide the bearer token key over here with the username and password, and we can keep the client credential location as it is, and that's the optional part. So from here if I execute this, so here we can see that it's executed and the data is already stored in database. So currently we do have at time there was 60. So let's see if we get the details. Yeah, it's already 60. So okay, now what I do, I will get the records. So from here I get all the records regarding the travel data for the passenger, and yeah, from here I will simply choose the 166, which is my record id, and here we can see that I got the 166, and if I paste 166, so I get this. I updated the record. Now to pass the record again, so this is the mutable fields, and this one is for the paths as well. So here we can see that at the month February we do have this much travel data including the airs, and yeah, I can delete this as well, record from here. So the airflow UI doesn't provide direct access to upload and perform the code operation, so I use the Swagger, and it's already deleted, and from here I can get the analytics of the data. So yeah, if I reload this, so it's a 60 success. So yeah, let's see if we can increase that success or not. From here I did populate the database from the set data, and if I execute it, so it's already on 60. Okay, and from here we can upload from our local computer as local PC as well. So if I do this, so it is missing. So I choose another file. Let's say, okay, it says the missing. So I will choose this file. Yeah, and we get the file name and with the total row, with the total insert and total fail, and also the metadata for the errors, which is empty array and updated date as well. Now if I go to the Airflow UI and reload this, so yeah, if I do trigger the tag and reload this, so here we can see that we have 61 succeed and 4 none and 1 in queued. Okay, so this is how the data pipeline works. So from here, if I click on the history of the upload, which is 20, so we can get the history of the uploaded data. And the authentication URL is for the register the user and to get the login access token for the authentication. So we can copy this and paste it over the header and we can perform the task. So if I click on the health, so it provides the all the status for the database as well and the pull status as well and the airflow and the redis status. So if I click on the get slash root endpoint, so it provides the response like this. Use airflow UI for pipeline management and monitoring the data. So here I provide the tag ID and yeah, we can upload the document from the Google Sheet as well in the CSV format. If I copy this and simply paste it over here and execute this, so here we can see the tag trigger successfully and with the tag ID with the run ID as well. So if I copy this run ID and paste it over here and execute this, so we can see got the response like this with the status succeed and we trigger it and here we can see that if I refresh this and we got the succeed 72 and it's working fine. Now to get the data quality report from the table name from the database, if I execute this, so we got the data quality like this. And as well for the matrix, if I execute this, so here we get the response for the matrix matrix as well. And for the admin pull connection, if I execute this, so here we can see that the pull connection. Now for the airflow UI data pipeline, so it's running and here I have did the auto refresh and yeah, currently we have 0 running and 0 fail, 1 is active. And if I click on the pipeline, so yeah, it's and go to details, so total we have 78 succeed and the data pipeline is working fine. So that's all for today. Thank you, have a great time.